Hey everyone, how's it going? So what am I doing now? Besides irritating her. Anyway, gonna try to get the hornet out of the barn. And I created my own barn find. I mean, it's been in there for 18 months or 2 years almost now, but it looks like it's been in there for 30. And I got all of this junk packed in front of it. As you can see, the cats have been on top of it. And also there's dust and stuff, probably from dirt daubers or whatever. And dirt daubers make those nests up there in the rafters. So we're going to get some of this stuff moved to the side so I can get that thing out of here. I don't know if hopefully I can get it running. I should be able to. I mean, I got it running. Every time I try to, I get it running. So it's got points and whatnot. I think it's the last year for points in those cars. But yeah, so I'm going to have to move all of this junk. Mrs. Wrenching's going to help me reluctantly, but she will. And we're going to get it. She looks super stoked, doesn't she? Mm-hmm. All right, we're going to get the stuff moved in. I'll have her film me getting this thing running. All right, so Mrs. Wrenching was super stoked to help me. So let's just take a look here. So we got everything cleared out. Like I said, it's been sitting here for 2 years. My grandkids decided it was a great idea to start a fire in the barn. So, yeah, I haven't even opened up the door in 2 years. But one of my grandkids did, as you can see by the footprints. Cool. All right. Smells like mildew. That was to be expected. All right, let me, got my keys. Sorry, I got a wicked glare in here. I don't know why. All right, let's fly the hood. So I can actually remember how to open the hood. I don't recall. Come here, Mrs. Wrenching, please. True love. Okay, it's filming. So if you could just film me.
Of course.
Oh, and I did take the battery out of it. I done forgot I did that. Oh, look at that dirt dauber nest right there.
Holy
Wasp nest
cow.
right there.
Yeah. Oh. Let's get the wasp spray.
Okay. All right, so I got some brake clean here. Mrs. Wrenching is allergic to bees. So, as you can see, they are right there. They're not going to be happy in a second. Good stuff. Brake clean is awesome with bees and stuff like that. Now I also grabbed a battery, but let me get that off of there. All right, no other bees I could see right now. All right, let me go grab my battery, throw the battery in here, and yeah, I got some carburetor cleaner too, so I'm gonna grab that. Should have grabbed the tripod, but I didn't even think about it. Carburetor cleaner to help it start. Let me get Mrs. Wrenching over here. She's just like so excited to help me.
Everybody dead?
Yeah, all the bees are dead.
Okay, good.
Her excitement is just unreal. I can't believe she's holding it in. All right. Keep the filming.
Okay.
Thank you. Love you.
Love you. True love.
Funny because I said that before.
Did you?
Yeah. This battery should be charged. All right, so now what we're going to do is I'm going to come around you. Now, if any of you guys want an AMC engine and 3-speed manual transmission, I'm giving this one away if somebody wants it. Once I get it out.
Well, give them a timeline.
Well, there'll be a video when it comes out. And it'll be a first come, first served scenario. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm taking the carburetor cleaner, and in the vent here, I'm just going to try to fill the carburetor up with the carburetor cleaner. So this way it'll run off the carburetor cleaner. This wasn't a full can. It's probably a third full. I can already see some dripping out where the accelerator pump and that is located on this thing. Alright, so now the can is empty. But like I said, this is going to be the last time this thing actually runs. So hopefully it'll start up. Let's bring the hood down a bit. Let's see if it'll start. Can't see inside here, so hopefully there's no critters. I doubt it. If I can find a key that actually works. Hold on. Technical difficulties. Please stand by. Alright, I'd be willing to bet it doesn't have a spark. So, because this is what actually happened the last time it wouldn't start. I had to pop the cap off and file down on the wires. Let's see. This is held down. It's held down with a screw. Alright, let's... Oh yeah, look how corroded that is. That is corroded. Alright. Let me, I gotta get a jumper here, or something to jump this starter solenoid. So hang on 1 second. If you could pause that, I'd appreciate it. Alright. So, what I want to do is I want to check this thing for spark. Like I said, that thing's pretty heavily corroded in there. I left the ignition on. This uses a Ford-style starter solenoid. And all I'm going to do is just jump the outside of it. Which doesn't want to work. Why doesn't it not want to work? It's not happy. Why is it not happy? Makes no sense. Why is it not happy?
Shouldn't you?
Okay. I know what I'm doing. I'm a professional. I have nothing, no spark. Could you see that? Like I was trying to go on here. Like I said, the key is on, so I should have spark if this thing's cranking. I literally have nothing. So I got to take the cap off. And the cap uses 2 screws to hold it down. I'd be willing to bet the points are just corroded. I don't even think I tightened that one the last time because I didn't care. Alright, so let's do this. Take that off there so I can set this to the side for now. So here are the points down here. Those right there, those are the points. And that's what creates a spark. You see how I had like a little spark there when I do that? I'm trying to do this in the dark, sorry. See that little, I don't know if you can actually see that, there's a little tiny spark. But shine the light on that for a second. Use that light. If you zoom in, oops. You zoom in right down there. I'm gonna make some sparkies up here, babe.
Oh, goody.
Same opening and closing, that's what creates the spark. So I got to get in there and clean it somehow. So I'm going to do that real quick. Meg's going to stop filming for a minute while I do that. Okay, so all I'm going to do is I'm going to take a piece of 80 grit sandpaper and I fold it in half. And all I'm going to do is stick it in between the points themselves and sand it down. So here, if you could just try to, if you can film it, I don't know. The problem is I got to get my fat head down here.
Yeah.
So the key is off right now. Yeah.
You're just getting a lot of hands.
Okay, well, it's not going to do bad.
Everything's fine.
Now, hopefully this will be enough to get it running. I would like to be able to just drive it in the garage one last time like this. Actually, what I'm going to do is I'm going to drive it over to the concrete in front of the garage. I'm going to power wash the car before I bring it inside. So hopefully that's, oh, maybe the key is still on.
Sounds like it.
You can actually hear the spark.
Mm-hmm.
Can you see down in there?
Mm-hmm.
See, as soon as I go to crack it open, there's a little tiny spark down there. All right, let me try to crank it over. You can see spark in the contact. So now it should actually start. All right, so let me put the cap back on. Actually, let me clean the inside of that a little bit. See, the cap is all just corroded.
How'd that happen?
From sitting. I know you're being a smart aleck now.
Maybe.
Oops, I gotta put the rotor back on. I bet you some of you were watching that saying, don't forget the rotor, don't forget the rotor. Almost forgot the rotor.
He heard you yelling.
Who heard me yelling?
Whoever that was yelling at the screen.
Oh. All right. So So hopefully this will make some contact now. And hopefully she'll fire up. Let's find out. All right. Just had a wasp looking for its home.
No.
Oh yeah, I didn't shut the key all the way off. I thought I did. See how fast that thing actually started up? Motor runs good. So if you're looking for an AMC 6-cylinder, I don't know which one it is. I don't know if it's the original one or not, but it runs. Go outside and film me pulling this thing out for the first time in forever. I'm going to drive it over there.
Okay. That breaks my heart.
Yeah, it's gonna clean up. Well, here she is. In case anybody's wondering, that's the oil pressure. It's got over 60. This really needs a good cleanup. So that's what I'm going to do now. I'm going to power wash it. Rust has started popping through on it, but I knew that. All things that are going to take time. But we're going to get it up and running and driving first. But I mean, it runs now, but we're going to do the things we want to do to it first. So, all right, guys. Well, hope you're getting something out of my videos. If you are, hit that like button. If you could, please subscribe. All right, have a great day. Keep wrenching.